Hello? Phone.
Matthew, I talked to you last Wednesday.
Yes.
And
You're State Trooper High.
Yep, I'm State Trooper, Trooper Street. Come over here.
I don't want to get. I'm not under arrest, right?
Well, come here. I want to talk to you.
We're safe distance. I don't want to be grabbed.
Here's the deal, Matthew. You were served a forbidden trespass. and you trespassed.
I'm tenant. I'm power of attorney. I've got proven paperwork for that power of attorney. And if you guys actually fail to intervene, how are you today?
Good. How are you?
Good, thank you. Fail to intervene and actually fail to recognize a legal document it's in the Uniform Power of Attorney Act. It is an admissible piece of paper, and you guys should have taken it. It's called failure to act, failure to intervene. It's called undue process and unequal treatment under the law. It's everything in the world that you guys did wrong on that. And you didn't even look at it.
I told you that information needed to go to court.
It didn't. It doesn't matter about agreeing with you.
I'm not talking about
It doesn't matter about
Matthew,
agreeing with you.
Tonight, I have a warrant for your arrest for trespassing. I need you to come with me. Come on with me. Let's go down to the magistrate's office. We'll sort it out. You ride with me. And that could be the end of it for tonight.
So will he be able to get released?
That's up to the magistrate. I don't know.
If I go with you guys,
his background.
is it what magistrate is it tonight?
It's going to be Loudoun County video magistrate.
No. You got IACO.
Loudoun County.
You got
It's gonna
IACO coming in.
It's going to be video magistrate.
I have too much evidence to present to the magistrate. The Heather Tighe has kidnapped my mother. My mother is kidnapped right now. Kidnapped.
Matthew.
Yes, sir. No, this is a serious situation.
Sir,
and you're going to kidnap me
I
now.
need you to come with me.
You're going to kidnap me.
Let's go.
Hey, you give me time. I go back into the house and I get my documents.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
No documents tonight.
Oh, because I present to the magistrate my case in front of the magistrate and they don't give me...
Magistrate's not going to listen to you on that. All they want to look at is your bail hearing tonight on the trespass charge. That's it.
That's you are committing an illegal arrest. You know that. Unlawful. Don't all right, I'm not resisting. Don't come around. I'm not resisting, and I'm not attempting to flee.
They don't want to listen to his documents.
What I'm saying is we have a warrant for your arrest for trespassing. Okay.
Matthew, come on. Let's make this easy. Please.
We'll make it easy. No resisting on my part.
Yeah.
Cuffs in front. If we're doing cuffs, you're doing cuffs in front or no
State
cuffs.
police, it's policy, cuffs and back, but I'll put you in the front seat.
I'm handicapped. I'm not putting my arms behind me. You know that. It's documented. I got separated shoulder and a torn shoulder.
Okay.
And if you do that, I will be forced to resist because that will be forcing me to be in a position I
How
can't.
about this?
Cuffs in front.
Under the seat belt. You take them out for no reason.
Do what?
So you're going to be cuffed in front. Seatbelt's going to go over your hands. You just sit there calmly all the way to the jail.
I'm fine sitting calmly. I told you I was going to get arrested.
You want to have her hold your cell phone so you can film me putting handcuffs on you?
And what's your name, sir? I want to be identified. I want.
go.
Slow.
Slow. Hands out. Give me 2 thumbs up.
Let me give her my glasses.
You need your glasses.
Julie,
Does he not need
I don't want to
glasses?
lose them. Let's
Real easy. Real easy.
Here we go.
Here we go. State police. Easy.
Yep. So, here we go.
There's one.
Be nice to me.
And
And we're gonna.
Yep. You be nice to me. I'm nice to
Am
you.
I supposed to keep my camera so I can record the event, right?
If you want to, I'll tell you what. You can hold.
Don't.
Hold on. Let me lock these so they don't keep getting tighter.
Well, yeah, I don't want them tighter.
I don't either.
This phone doesn't work.
Matthew, you have any weapons on you right now?
No.
Nothing so much as like a
No.
sharpened nail or a razor blade, nothing like that?
No.
Okay.
I'm a
Well, I'm going to
peaceful
search you real quick. So you
Just
can
don't touch my penis or my.
I'm not going to touch you inappropriately, all right?
I haven't had dinner.
Well, I haven't either, all right? What do you got in your pockets? Nothing?
What is it?
I don't know.
What do I have in my pockets?
I'm just asking you if you have
I
anything.
told you nothing.
Nothing. All right.
I'm being groped. Don't get in any way of these guys, Julie. Make them feel safe and make them feel relaxed. Everything's got to be fine.
I'm going to leave your pin here, all right?
Thank
I'm
you.
going to give that to Julie. Here, Julie. Here's your pen. Let's go get my car.
All right.
Where are you taking Warrington?
Yep, Warrington.
It's okay. You don't have to push. You don't have to push. Is this your car?
I need to get.
Well, you're Colbert.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
You did this to me. You You should have looked up this information, and you should find. You are responsible personally for my mother's safety.
Matthew.
Yes, sir.
Do we need the-
Easy.
we need
Thank
the
you.
books on the counter?
Be careful, Julie. No, they're not going to listen to anything. Just contact before we go.
Put your hands in your lap for me.
Yes, sir.
Just like that.
Before, and please don't lock me in too bad. There you go.
No, I'm just gonna
All
go
right.
over here.
Thank you for. Hey, look. Thanks for being respectful to
Sure,
me.
you got it.
This state trooper's not a terrible guy. Colbert, you're mean as hell. You failed. No, you're derelict in duty. You're smiling at this. You love this. This is intimidation of a witness.
Let's just get this over with.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Julie. Call them.
I'll roll the window down.
Thank you. And help her. Listen, she's got autism.
Yeah.
And I need you to work with her so she can get me out tonight. Okay. This is good.
Can she drive?
Yeah, she
Of
can
course I
drive.
I've never
But
met
the-
you before,
but the
man,
issue-
so I don't know.
I'm
The issue-
legal.
The issue is,
What gate do I go out of?
this is such a false arrest. You do know that. This is a false arrest.
So, Julie, he's going down to the Fauquier Magistrate's office in the town of Warrenton. So it's going to be, I don't know, 20, 30-minute drive down there. And then maybe a half hour to, it really depends on how backed up the magistrate is, but 45 minutes to another hour before you see the magistrate. If you want to meet me in the parking lot, I can come out and let you know what the status is before he comes out.
I have evidence.
I don't know when he's coming
I have
out.
He
evidence.
should be released.
I need that paperwork.
You want me to bring him?
There's
only two paperwork.
They're going to allow me in video to show the power of attorney
I'll
notice.
bring the booklets that were on the
I can
counter.
hold it.
They can swear you in, let you say whatever you want to say.
It helps with evidence.
I mean, I'm just.
You're taking me away from my
How
evidence.
quickly can you grab this paperwork?
My paperwork's right there. If we can secure
Yeah,
it.
Really,
just
the
go,
red one- the
just
red
go.
one in the
But it
blue?
is going to go in your property in the jail, just so you know. And the deputies are the ones that have control of your property till you get it back.
This is a good cop.
So I just leave your paperwork here. Like I told you the other day, you need to do all this civil stuff in court.
She was robbing the house,
So,
brother.
All right, we're gonna head out, Julie.
Thank you.
Be careful. I got to back up. My front end's gonna come.
Make
over
sure
to where
the
you're
dog's
standing.
safe. Is dog safe?
I'm sick of throwing
Yeah.
in the house and what can do.
Yeah. How about you?
Which gate do you want me to go out of, Matt? This front gate? Or...
Whatever, Julie. My house is your house. She
Yeah.
has every right to be here.
Yeah.
Listen, talk to Trung a little.
Am I supposed to stay here and protect your house or what?
You're supposed to come bail me out, and I have no idea what the bail's going to be. It's going to be a cash bail. I know.
Let's hope we get you released on your own recognizance.
Well, maybe that'll happen if I'm a nice
Maybe.
boy.
I don't know anything.
I
about
doubt
you.
it, Julie.
And hey, I'll tell the magistrate when I asked you to come with me, you came with me.
I did. I'm
Yeah.
not resisting.
No
Thank you
Your
for
own
doing this.
recognizance?
And I
Yeah.
really want to just come home, and I'm
Sure.
not a problem.
All right,
This
well-
we got to find my mom. This might get
This
it.
is a missing mom.
This is kidnapped. It's funny. I go
I'm
to
not-
jail for
Come on.
kidnapping. I'm going to jail for kidnapping.
Well, all right, Julie,
Be safe.
please be careful. I got to back up.
Listen. Just focus for a second. He's going to take me away. The faster I get out of here, the faster I
Yeah.
have a chance to get
Yep,
processed.
I'm trying to make it an early evening for everybody.
All right, I appreciate
So
that.
I guess I'll be there.
And this is Trooper Street.
Yep.
After I shut it up and
You don't have to worry about. Don't worry about locking up. Just
Yep.
close up. Everything's safe enough. It's the biggest thing is to get me home as fast as we
Which gate
can.
is
I
it
still
to
got
go
to
out
feed
of?
chickens.
Which gate is it
Yep.
to go
Either
out?
one, Julie.
Yep.
Julie, this is fine to come out of here. It's all good.
Which is easier for me to go open up.
The back, whatever. Don't overthink it.
Well, be careful. I got to back up here.
If you can squeeze past me, the big thing is get Augie in.
Never,
all right.
Sir, I've had a stroke. So
All right.
I know.
I've had a stroke. So
Talk to Trung.
This is
Talk to.
This is my brother.
It'll be okay. It'll be okay. This guy's not going to beat me up. See, my dog is just waiting there
See,
patiently.
I don't want to drag it out because if you ride with me, it's just a whole lot simpler. So thank you, Matthew, for.
Rescue me, Trung. I'll be back. Work with my sister. And thanks, Trooper. I am not causing trouble. This is so. You understand how bad this is?
To me, it's honestly, you got to realize I'm a pawn in this game, and there's a whole lot of stuff going on.
If you go
that I'm
this
just
way to the
not
left,
privy
it's quicker.
to. Let's just go through the main roads. I'll tell
Oh,
you
that's
that.
horrible. That's horrible. This is
Well-
longer. It takes longer.
You got to realize I live on the interstate and 17, and
That's your turf.
that's my thing.
You feel it.
But
You're feeling it. I get it. So I was just trying to help us get there quicker. Shit, man. No, my mom's kidnapped. I really need your help getting my mom back. That's the whole point. This woman's got the contact. She is actually the shyster. She is a complete grifter. She's controlling my brother. She's the one that she is falsely. When she identified herself to the deputies the other day, she said Heather Tighe. She didn't represent last name Souter.
Yeah.
And on the hospital contact sheet, she represents as a sister, a daughter-in-law. She put herself as number one contact on the form, and that's the information I wanted to have in my hand right now, is to show that she's actually grifting and she's exploiting my mother. My mother is all the information I presented to you guys, and that the notary public is a complete scam. With the fact that you guys didn't accept, the fact that Trooper Colbert and Koenig refused. Deputy Colbert and Koenig refused to act. They refused to act. They had the paperwork in hand that proved I am the power of attorney. I gave a legitimate piece of paper, that's legitimate form. I gave the testimony, and he refused to call my mother on the phone. Refused to have the other folks directly contact. All they would have had to do is say, "Hey, get her on the phone." Yeah. And ask her right there, is Matthew your power of attorney? Yes or no. End of story. Colbert didn't do that.
The sheriff's office does a lot of civil stuff. I don't do that. I work crashes and work DUIs.
This is criminal.
And when folks get no trespass orders out on folks and folks walk onto that property, I have to act.
This is criminal.
And the thing is, Master, remember when I talked to you the other day, I told you all that evidence that you were showing me that needs to go before a judge?
And I can't get to a judge. Yes, I don't mean to cut you. You're telling me.
But, if this is a painful time for you and your sister, I can't imagine.
I'm in federal court.
You're in.
They know I'm involved in federal court. So this is actually tying me up this is witness intimidation. Colbert and Koenig know this. And I need internal affairs. Take a left right there. We're out of here. You're going the longest way, sir.
I'll be honest. I don't go back up here all that much. Okay?
I'm trying to help you out.
But here's what I'm getting at, Matthew. All that evidence you told me, that's got to get with lawyers, attorneys, and all that's got to be
I'm pro se, and attorneys won't handle that.
Well,
they don't. They want money.
When somebody is given a forbid trespass and they trespass, my hands are tied.
It's
like I got your word versus their word. I got your signed paperwork, their signed paperwork.
You don't have my word. You have actual testimony.
But I got their testimony.
You don't. You have them lying. Let me tell you. It's not civil. It's criminal. They've kidnapped a woman. They've kidnapped Deborah Pritchard. She's kidnapped. Kidnapped, sir.